Ever wondered how affordable homes were 100 years ago compared to today? In this video, we'll explore how house prices have changed relative to average incomes over the last century in both the UK and the US. We'll analyze data from key years: 1920, 1940, 1960, 1980, 2000, 2018, and 2024 to see how affordability has evolved. To understand how house prices and affordability have changed, we need to look at the socio-economic context of each period. For instance, the Great Depression in the 1930s had a massive impact on the housing market. World War II brought about significant economic changes, followed by a post-war economic boom in the 1950s and 60s. Fast forward to the 2008 financial crisis, which again reshaped the housing market. These events, among others, played crucial roles in shaping the affordability of homes over the last century. Let's dive into the data. First, we have a line graph showing the growth of average house prices in both the UK and US from 1920 to 2024. Notice the significant price jumps during certain periods like the post-war boom and the early 2000s. Next, we have a similar line graph illustrating the growth of average incomes over the same period. Here, you can see periods of stagnation and rapid growth. Finally, we present a ratio graph comparing house prices to average income over time. This graph shows how housing affordability has changed. For example, in 1920, homes were much more affordable compared to 2024. Various factors like economic policies, inflation, and wage growth have influenced this ratio, making certain eras more challenging for homebuyers. Let's consider how affordability has evolved over different eras. During the economic growth of the 1940s and 50s, homes became more affordable. However, the 2000s saw a decline in affordability. Now, if we look at the UK versus the US, there are some interesting differences and similarities. Urbanization, population growth, and varying economic policies have shaped the housing market in each country quite differently. Presenting the most recent data from 2024, we see some intriguing trends. This data suggests various possibilities for the future of housing affordability in both countries. Offering some speculative commentary, let's consider what might happen in the next few decades. Current trends like rising interest rates, changing demographics, and technological advancements could have significant impact on the future of owning your own home. To wrap things up, let's recap the key points. We've seen drastic changes in housing affordability over the last century. Do you think homes will become more or less affordable in the future? Comment below with your thoughts about the housing market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content.